Joey, let's feed Gidget. Get his food out. Get her food. Not that. No, no, no. There you go. Come on. Good boy. Okay, now put some food in the bowl.
You might have to help him a little.
Okay. No. Okay, pour it in there. Pour some in there. Yeah, we'll lick dog food. Okay, pour it in the bowl. Hey, what are you closing it for?
Joey, you need to pour it in the bowl.
Gidget needs to eat. She's hungry. Okay. Just pour it in the bowl. You don't have to keep sniffing it. Pour it in the bowl, baby.
You have to hold the lid up for him.
How much goes in there?
That's good. Okay.
Yeah, put it away. Put it back.
Put it back.
Okay. Hey, what's next, Joey? What do we do next?
Cook. You said cook.
Let's cook it.
You have to put hot water in it, huh? Okay.
Hold on. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Hold it. I'll pick you up. Okay. Ready? Not one yet.
Okay. Put water in it.
You know it's
That's good. Okay. Now set it on the counter. It cooks, yes.
Let go. Let go. Let go.
We let it cook.
Hey, Gidget. Doesn't mean let go of it, sweetie. Hold on to it. Hold on to it. You gotta find that piece. Hold on to it. Hold it. Hold. Put it down. Good job, baby.
Good job.
Now let's find that piece. She's getting the growl face.
Good job, Joey. Good
Good job,
job.
Where's the food? Like blends in with this carpet.